Ready to unlock a world of automated possibilities by connecting your favorite apps directly to Zapier? Today, we're diving into how to send a webhook to Zapier, empowering you to trigger automated workflows in real time. First, log into your Zapier account, or if you don't have one, sign up for free. Next, hit the Create Zap button in the upper left corner. This is where the magic begins. Search for Webhook or Webhooks by Zapier in the Trigger App search bar and select it. This will be the starting point of our automation. From the Choose Trigger Event dropdown, select Hatch Hook. This tells Zapier to listen for incoming data from our webhook. Then, click Continue. Zapier will now generate a unique webhook URL for you. Copy this URL to your clipboard. This is the address where your application will send data. Now, head over to the application or service you want to connect to Zapier. Look for a webhook setting or integration option and paste the webhook URL you copied from Zapier into the designated field. Configure your application to send data via the webhook, triggering it with an event you want to automate. Back in Zapier, click the Test Trigger button. Zapier will attempt to receive data from your webhook. If successful, you'll see the data you sent displayed. Now that Zapier has received your data, you can choose the app and action you want to automate in the Action section. This is where you define what Zapier will do with the data it receives. Configure your action, test it, and then turn your Zap on. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a webhook integration with Zapier. Your data will now be automatically sent from your app to Zapier, triggering your chosen action in real time.